Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a COTPS. All right. First, you want to go to the website compoundyourmoneydaily.com. Compound, COMPOUND, your, YOUR, money, MONEY, daily, DAILY.com. Compoundyourmoneydaily.com. It'll bring you up to the screen right here. All right. Whatever language, English, put in your mobile phone number. Then set a password. All right. And click register. Actually, I'm sorry. You're going to click register first. Click register first. And you're going to put your mobile phone number in. And then you're going to tell it to send you a verification code. All right. Once you put your mobile phone number in, click on send verification code. It will send you a code to that mobile phone number. Now, you can only have that phone on one account. All right. On one account. So once you do that, you want to click log in. Okay, so after you log in, let me go. After you log in, it's going to take you to the main screen. All right, so I'm already registered, so I am going to go back and put in mine right here and click log in. Oh, I can't log in because I got my data off. Okay, let me turn my data back on because I didn't want anything to interrupt me during the video. All right, so let my internet connect back on. Okay, click log in. It's logging in right here. All right, now to get your link, you know, I made mine compound. I made a private link, compoundyourmoneydaily.com. But your invite link right here, it says invite your friends. All right, click on invite your friends. That's your QR code, your invitation code right there. Or you click here to copy right there, and it'll say successful copying. Okay, and you can send that link to whoever you want, and they'll actually be able to register too. All right, so from there, we want to go over to transaction. You want to go to transaction hall. All right, and this is looking for orders. I'm sorry, let's go to home. Okay, nope, let's go to mine. And you want to go to, I'm sorry, this is how you get your money in there. You want to click on recharge. All right, click on recharge. And your way of recharge is TRC20. All right, that is your recharge wallet right there. All right, so that QR code or that TJ number, T is for Tron, okay, that TJG. All right, you're going to use that. You're going to hit copy that. And now you're going to go back to your Exodus wallet. Remember, back to Exodus wallet over here. We're going to go back to the Exodus wallet. All right, and with that amount that you're sending over from right here, you're going to click all, and it's going to go to ask you for the wallet address. All right, because now remember on the last video, we're sending from right here, TRX network, we're sending it over to the COTPS. All right, so the amount of money here, click all. All right, and then it's going to ask you, I can't go up from here because I'm not sending anything, but when you click all and enter, it's going to go to the next screen. It's going to ask you for the wallet address. Well, that wallet address is this address right here, the TJG number, with the long address that you copied, right? That you copied right there. You're going to put it in, then you're going to send it. All right. Now, once you send it from over here, it's going to tell you it may take an hour. It normally doesn't take that long. All right. But you'll come back over here. You'll know what's in there when it shows up my total assets. All right. It shows up my total assets in there. See, right now my total assets is $1 because all of my money is in my trading wallet right now. Okay, all the money is in my trading wallet, but your money will show up right there. Now, once it's there, then we will have to we'll set up your you need to set up a VPS. All right, you want it running on a VPS because you don't want this thing going off, because we're going to give you a script to actually have you trading 24/7. All right, but this is how to get your money into the wallet. Okay, that's how you get your money into it. Once you got the money into the wallet, we will now show you in the next video how to set up the script to have your money trading.